back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Don't forget to like and share, please. So if you have not checked out my kochuri recipe, you must check that out, because today we are going to make some Niramish Aloor dum, which goes great with any kind of kochuri or luchi. So if you remember in the other recipe, in the kochuri recipe, I did show you how to make the dough. So that dough is perfect for kochuri and for luchi or puri. But puri, you add a little bit of atta, which is whole wheat flour, but luchis are made with all-purpose flour. So let's get the aloo dum started. So here I have my pan, which is already heating. I am going to go ahead and put some mustard oil in there. That's like almost 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. And into that, I already have some baby potatoes that I've boiled and peeled. So we are going to fry the baby potatoes in the oil. So before I fry them, I am just going to coat them with a little bit of salt and a little bit of turmeric for color, and maybe a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. And into that, we are going to add our potatoes. So once our potatoes get a little bit of color, we are going to keep it aside. We just want a tiny bit of color. And we are trying to make it a little more healthier by not deep frying potatoes. That's why we have boiled them first, so that it doesn't take too long for them to cook in the oil. So what we are looking for in the potatoes is this nice golden crispy crust. Okay, our potatoes have got that crust. We are going to roll it out. And in the same oil, we are going to add some ginger. Remember, it's a Niramish Aloor dum, so we are not going to use any onion or garlic. We are going to add some coriander powder and cumin powder, a little bit of turmeric, salt to taste, and then we are going to add in some tomato paste. I'm just going to add like maybe 4 teaspoons. And we are going to cook that until it releases the oil from the sides. You can see it's starting to release oil from the sides. When it does that, we are going to go ahead and put our cooked potatoes in there. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of garam masala and a lot of coriander. In goes my water, and we are going to let those potatoes cook all the way through. I'm going to cover that up and let it cook. So this is all done. You can see our potatoes are nicely cooked. Just before taking it out, we're just going to add a dollop of clarified butter or ghee, and we are going to plate it out. Some cilantro or coriander leaves, and that's it. Our Niramish Aloor dum is ready to be served. Serve it with some luchi, some porota, or kochuri, and make sure you check it out. I'll link it somewhere over here or here. I'm not sure. I think over here. Check it out and try it out with some kochuri. Now, if you're going to try it out with luchi, make sure you put in some peas in there. Enjoy!